Login failed on Dave fix. You open the Dave app to check your cash advance or paycheck deposit, and suddenly it says, login failed. It's frustrating, especially when you need access right away. But don't worry, most login issues on Dave are easy to fix once you know what's causing them. First, start by checking if Dave's servers are down. Search Dave app outage or Dave login issues online. Since Dave connects directly to your bank, any temporary server maintenance or update can block logins for a short time. If that's the case, it's just a waiting game until they're back online. If everything looks good on their end, the next step is to check your connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Weak or unstable connections often interrupt secure login requests. Now, make sure your app is updated. Go to your App Store or Google Play, search Dave, and tap Update. Older app versions may not match the latest authentication systems Dave uses. Still having trouble? Try clearing your cache or reinstalling the app. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Dave, and hit Clear Cache. On iPhone, delete and reinstall it. Your data and account are stored safely in the cloud. Also, double-check your bank login information. If your linked bank recently changed its login or added extra security, Dave may need you to reconnect your account. Open the app, go to Link Banks, and re-enter your credentials. And here's something most people forget: check your device's date and time settings. Make sure they're set to automatic. Secure apps like Dave use timestamp string authentication, and if your clock is off, the login will fail. Lastly, if you're using a VPN or ad blocker, turn it off temporarily. These can interfere with Dave's secure network connection. After trying these steps, your login should be back to normal. So if your Dave app ever says login failed, don't stress. It's almost always a small glitch. Update, reconnect, and refresh, and you'll be back managing your finances or getting your cash advance in no time.